15 Best Places to Visit in Libya. Before the turmoil, Tripoli was a poster boy for North African heritage. Its winding labyrinth of backstreets melded the warmth and colors of the Med with the historic character of the Sahel. Street vendors touted spice-covered, ghee-doused bazins from roadside stalls. Tea houses throbbed with Arabic chatter and the twisting fumes of shisha pipes. And at the center of town, visitors would find the grand Asaraya al-Hamra, spilling into the tight-knit lanes of the Medina. Founded by the Phoenician Greeks and raised to greatness by the Romans, Leptis Magna is the most impressive ancient site in the country. The Grand Theater, arches dedicated to Septimius Severus, fortification walls, Roman basilicas, and the crumbling marketplace all still remain. Glimmers of the glorious past still remain in Benghazi, like the elegant whitewashed homes of the Italian Quarter and the picturesque Maidan al-Shajara Square in the center of the city. Perched atop the Mediterranean cliffs, Cyrene is one of the greatest relics the Greeks left in North Africa. Visitors come to tour the colossal shrines to Demeter, see the necropolis, and explore the revered sanctuary of Apollo. Whitewashed homes scramble over one another in the heart of desert-shrouded Gadamis. Nestled between the sand dunes of the northern Sahara, this earthy little Berber outpost is hailed as one of the real jewels of the nation's backcountry. Topped by its great mud-brick castle, Ghat still looks the part of a principal trading point on the Sahara-Sahel caravan route. The fortress seen today was built later by the Italians, and today, along with the rugged caves and cliffs of the Tadrart Akakis Mountains, forms the major point of interest in the town. Like Cyrene before it, Sabratha followed the predictable trajectory of a one-time Greek colony on the North African coast. There are remnants of a Christian basilica built by Justinian II, along with the grand mosaics that once adorned the interior. However, the piece de résistance is the ancient theater. Targeted by rebel forces, Sirte hardly went unscathed in the Battle of Sirte in 2011. Today, efforts are being made to rebuild and reconstruct the spot, which was once a colonial outpost of both the Ottomans and the Italians. Tobruk is best known as a battlefield of the Second World War. Visitors will get to tour the site of these totemic events and unravel tales of Greek, Roman, and Berber history besides. The 500,000-strong city of Misrata represents the third largest in the country. 500,000 most visitors will come to enjoy the sun-kissed beaches that meld with the Saharan dunes, while others will tour the great city mosques and the multicultural array of architecture that imbues the center. Set deep in the heart of the Saharan desert, the black-stained tar and rock fields of Wau and Nemus are a truly otherworldly sight to behold. Travelers come to wonder at the great extinct volcanic cone that rises from the sands, its nearby crater lake, and the old caravan oases towns of Al-Kufra and Rebiana. Visitors to Misrata can come and wander rustic olive oil mills and farms. There's also a long history to uncover, as Misrata once hailed in as one of the major stopovers on the way to ancient Leptis Magna during the heyday of Roman rule in these parts. Al-Jawf is surrounded by the sweeping ochre sands at the very heart of the Libyan Sahara. Visitors will get to unravel tales of Greek, Roman, and Berber history besides. Below the rugged tips of the El Balil Mountains, the desert town of Waden is a great place to come and catch a glimpse of the earthy backcountry character of Libya and to unravel the deep Islamic histories that have coalesced here over the centuries. The lakeside city of Sabha is home to the striking bulwarks of Fortezza Margherita, one of the most dramatic and historic citadels still standing in the country. Sabha is also considered the best gateway to the Fezzan region, which rolls out to meet the Sahara Desert proper.